Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dan from Crypto Camacho, and I am trying to make a couple of short trades here. I'm just kind of scouting the market because we're seeing a pretty big uptick from a variety of coins, and I'm going to try to short them here. So I'm going to try to record this and show you the process that I'm going through to do it. And if I don't talk, apologies, but I'm trying to just focus on which coins I should be shorting using the Poloniex exchange and using Coinigy to actually do the shorting itself. I may use Coinigy, I may actually use the Poloniex exchange itself. It just kind of depends on what I short. So here's one opportunity that everybody should be watching. It's Bitcoin and STR pairing. This is the 5-minute chart. If we zoom out to the hour chart, you can see there was a recent surge in the price of STR. And now if I go down into like the 15-minute chart, what I'm actually looking for is I'm watching the RSI go up. I'm actually looking for two things, and I'll explain that right here. All right, so this first piece right here is the RSI. So I'm watching the RSI, which basically determines the amount of momentum or strength a particular price has, right? Right now the price is surging up. So right now the RSI is way up high. It's actually up into the 70s, which is very, very bullish. This coin could keep going up for some time, but also we see the peak here, or a plateau, an area of resistance at 3919, which again is also very close to 4, right? So we could see a pullback, and what I'm looking for is the RSI to show me a bearish divergence. And so I'm going to go down to the 5-minute charts, right? And what I'm looking for is for the price to be higher, but the RSI to actually be lower than the previous high, right? So if the price is higher itself, but the RSI is lower than the previous RSI, that means we're losing momentum. And once I find this, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. And then on the MACD, the histogram, you can see when the price is surging up and surging down. So when the coin is overbought or underbought, right? Overbought or oversold, right? And that could be viewed here at the MACD. It looks like we're starting to lose buying power right here. We're starting to see that buying power wane off just ever so slightly right there, right? Not enough to convince me, but that's what I'm looking for. And I'm looking for this divergence, the bearish divergence on the RSI. Not really there yet, right? So we're evenly keeled, maybe even a little higher. So I wouldn't say this one's ready to short because we could still go up, but definitely want to keep an eye on that. The next one that I'm looking at is Bitcoin and BTS. And this one, same thing I'm looking for. And actually, I do see a bit of bearish divergence here, right? Because we see a price here. The price is slightly higher right here. And we do start to see the RSI going down. This is on a 5-minute chart, guys, so keep in mind this may not hold, right? You got to look at the time frames in an effective way to make sure you don't get in too early. If you look at the 5-minute charts, yes, it may be bearishly diverging and the price may be going down in that 5-minute window, right, for the next few minutes, but that could quickly change on a 5-minute chart. You want to look at probably minimum 15 to 30-minute and even an hour charts to really get a better confirmation that it is actually starting to diverge on the bearish side, right? So this is starting to turn, and you can kind of see that the price is starting to diverge down, right? I mean, if you just zoom in, the price is obviously starting to go down a little bit. So I'm looking for that same confirmation on the RSI, right? And I don't see that yet. Right now we're still at the high, but it is turning the corner and likely it will go down. So I'm going to keep an eye on that one. Next one is Bitcoin and Monero or XMR pairing on Poloniex. Same thing, guys. Really bullish. It's going up right now. But what I'm looking for is that divergence, which I haven't seen yet. And the price likely could keep going up. So I'm going to wait on that one as well. All right, here's another one, Bitcoin and Ethereum. And this one is shooting up pretty decently, right? This is a 15-minute chart. If I look at the hour chart, I mean, it's gone up, what? It's gone up about 2%, right? And it looks like it is starting to drop. So I am actually going to zoom back in to the 30-minute chart. I may have missed this one. Nope, this one's looking good. Okay, so let me see here. Yep, histogram is going down. It's starting to diminish, right? So you can see right here, starting to diminish. And the price itself, though, I'm not completely convinced, right? Because I'm on a 15-minute chart. Price is going down, but that's not to say that it's not going to bounce back up and keep going up a bit. What you're looking for is the price being higher right here on the actual chart and the RSI being lower than the previous RSI, right? And I don't see that. The RSI on this chart is actually higher or equal to the previous RSI, right? So this could bounce back up. I'm not saying it will, but I'm saying, see, it's already even starting to a little bit. So that's my point. This could go back up and it could go higher, right? Likely what it's going to do, it's going to jump a little bit over these levels right here of resistance. And it's going to go up probably slightly higher before coming back down. So that's what I'm going to keep watching for on these charts here going through it. But I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to actually do the shorting itself, right? So once you find a token that that works out really well for you and you want to short, you could actually short on Coinigy itself, right, within the Coinigy platform. And I got to refresh my screen. It's not really working right there for some reason. Let's see here. Yeah, I got to refresh all these. I refreshed one of them. I think it was this one. Nope. Let me just refresh one. So I want to make sure you, I don't know why this isn't working right now. My internet has been strange. So let me refresh this and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Okay, here it is. Okay, so if I wanted to short, I don't know why it's doing this today. It wasn't doing this. Okay, anyway, usually you could short right within the Coinigy platform right here. Maybe there's something going on with my computer. You could also short right in here as well, right? In the actual Poloniex dashboard. And you need to be in your margin account, margin trading. And then you have to actually go and sell if you want to short a stock. If you want to short a cryptocurrency, you need to go in and margin sell here, right? And I'm going to get into a tutorial of how this all works, but not right now. But if I wanted to short this, I would essentially just go through and open a margin sell here, and I would short that much, right? I'm not going to short, a Bitcoin. I don't have a Bitcoin in this account, but Poloniex allows you to use leverage, 2.5 times leverage, so that you can actually use more money than you have to do a short sell. I highly recommend against that because it's very, very risky, and you could lose your capital and get liquidated very, very quickly and lose your money. So I will show you what I'm talking about by that, but I wanted to just show you this really quickly. So anyways, I'm Dan from CryptoCamacho.com, and if I find a trade that I'm going to take, I will let you know. I may be able to take this one, but I want to be a little bit more confident. So I'll come back and make another video, but that is the basics of how you short a cryptocurrency when the price has spiked and is about to go down. The two things you want to look for is really the bearish divergence on the RSI and the bearish divergence or downtick on the MACD or histogram, right? You also want to check the big picture. You definitely want to check the big picture because you want to make sure that things are in fact going down. And let me give you a quick example of this and how you can get caught up, right? So Monero looks like you could maybe short this very soon, right? And this is on a 5-minute chart. But if you look back at the day chart, you're going to notice that Monero could actually bounce back up as well. So I just want you to be aware that, we're at a very low right now for Monero. We're currently down from a recent high of 60%. So Monero could definitely explode very soon. And this almost happened to me the other day when I almost shorted it, and I'm glad I didn't, but it almost exploded back up, and I don't want that to happen to you guys. So anyway, I'm Dan from CryptoCamacho.com. Hopefully this little tutorial on how to short trade or how to margin trade on Poloniex using Coinigy was helpful. I'm going to do more videos like this. Please comment in the comments and let me know. Do you guys want to see more videos like this on how to trade, how to make quick trades, how to make quick margin trades, how to short sell, and how to make money doing so, right? I'm going to give you many examples if so, but please comment below and like this video and let me know if you actually want to see that. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on that little red button. Either it's probably above my face right now. Click on that red button, and every day I'm going to teach you how to make more money in cryptocurrency because the cryptocurrency revolution is just getting started and you're about to become rich if you follow this advice, guys. There's going to be opportunities like crazy. Even if you're not a day trader, you need to understand what cryptocurrency is, understand what's going on in cryptocurrency and really in the world today. The financial system is changing, guys. Be a part of it and you will profit and do very, very well. I'm Dan from Crypto Camacho again, and I will talk to you next time. See you guys.